Okay, let's have a look at how you can create tasks using automation. So again, we go to automation. So just like we applied a note using the automation, we can do the same with a task. Again, that lives under contact action. So taking the example we had before where we set the key contact updates, I'm now going to set it that we want someone to give the key contact a call. So let's go and create a new task. So the task is going to be call company key contact. Again, we're going to go by the company. Action type, this time I'm going to choose task. So now I have the option here to say what will the relationship be for the task. Am I creating the task for a specific user, and therefore anytime this task in this automation is created, it'll create it for the same user in Macanta? Or am I creating it for whichever user has a specific relationship? So therefore I can say create it for the sales rep, and then it doesn't really matter which of my users are assigned as the sales rep, the task will be created for them. If it's a user, so if I choose user, then I get a list of the users to choose from, and that's then fixed. So you can do that, but in this example, we're going to say by relationship, and then I'm going to say sales rep. Okay, so then I can say task title, so key contact call due, and I'm going to go and we're going to merge in the company name in there. Then I can say what are the details. Please make first contact call with key contact. And then I can merge in the key contact's first name and last name at the company name. Okay, so what's important to note here, that's going to merge in the details of the key contact, but I'm creating the task for the sales rep. And then I can say, well, when's the date? When is it due? So I really want this to happen within 2 days of this being triggered. So that'll set the due date for that. So let's go and save that there. Now again, I'll go and refresh, and then we're just going to add that task to our existing automation process rather than set up a whole new one. So I can go to my trigger action and I can find set key contact info, and I can then say here I can add call company key contact. So instead of applying the note in this instance, we are going to create that task for the sales rep. So now that that is set up, we go to a company and we're going to say here, let's see if this one is there. Let's just change the name to Macanta, and we're going to say that I am in this instance the key contact, and I'll save that. Get rid of Jean. This is from me deleting relationship types. So here we can say Pete is the sales rep. I'm the key contact. So what should happen now? It should populate my details in there and then create a task for Pete. So let's just see. And that looks like it has run. So let's just make sure. Go to the company, go and find Macanta. We can see my details were merged in there. And then we can go here to Pete. And we can then bring up his task list. And here we can see that task has been created with a due date 2 days from now, and the details there of who to call at which company. And then once Pete has done that, he can just mark that as done, and that countdown gives you a chance in case you mark the wrong one, but that's now sorted and that's all finished. So that's how you can use the automated tasks in Macanta.